Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to confirm which Pokemon card you sold to someone on Whatnot. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're new to Whatnot and you want to go ahead and see which card someone bought during your live stream. How do you actually go ahead and find out which card they bought? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now the way to actually do this is first you're going to click on Whatnot. And then from here on the bottom right hand corner you want to click on account, and then next you want to click on the order in which you want to confirm a card was bought. So let's say Pokemon card singles number 4. Notice how my item name is extremely vague. How do I know which card Pokemon card single number 4 is? Well, the way to do that is that you want to go ahead and scroll down to where it says video receipt. So if you click on video receipt, it's going to show you at what point during the live stream this card was bought. So this right here is Pokemon card number 4. But by clicking on video receipts, guys, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and confirm which Pokemon card single was bought during your live stream on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.